Friends, obesity is a big and common problem these days and a great danger to our health. If you want to live a healthy life, you should control your weight. Friends, these below given weight loss drinks or juices have a great health benefits and as well as amazingly helpful to lose weight within days. Friends, ginger, lemon and cinnamon weight loss detoxing drink. Friends, this is ginger, lemon and cinnamon weight loss detoxing drink. Friends, the ingredients of this drink: number 1 ginger, number 2 lemon, friends, number 3 cinnamon. Preparation method. Friends, put the ginger in a grinder, shred the ginger with grinder. Put this shred ginger in a bowl and add up some boiling water. Leave this ginger and water mixture for 20 minutes. Now slice the lemon and put it in a jar. After 20 minutes, strain the ginger and boiled water mixture in the jar with lemon slices. Now ginger and lemon water mixture ready. Now fill up the jar with distilled water. Take this drink daily with your meal or after a half an hour of meal. Friends, this ginger, lemon and cinnamon tea amazingly help to lose your weight within days. Now friends, we will discuss home remedy for weight loss number 2. Friends, this is weight loss and fat cutter amazing juice: cucumber, mint leaves, apple, fresh lemon and ginger. First of all, friends, take 1 cucumber and also take 1 cup of mint leaves. Friends, ingredients of this juice: 1 cucumber, 1 cup of mint leaves, 1 apple, half fresh lemon, 1/4 piece of a ginger. Preparation method of this juice. Friends, cut cucumber and apple into small pieces and put them into a blender. Put mint leaf and ginger with them and then add 1 cup of water to make smooth juice to drink. Friends, grind all these ingredients together and filter the juice into a glass. Then squeeze the fresh lemon in it. A healthy weight loss and fat burning juice is ready to drink. This juice helps to lose weight quickly. Friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share with others and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about all new videos. Thank you very much.